Hey everybody, Nate Lee here. And I've got something to share with you. Always look at the destination fret when you're sliding. I'll tell you what I mean. All right, so here's what I mean by always look at the destination fret when you're sliding. Most people, when they slide, put a finger down, and then they go to slide, and they keep looking at where their finger started. And that doesn't usually go so well, because it's really hard to imagine where your finger needs to go. You don't really need to be looking at where your finger came from if your finger is already there. And that may sound really obvious. You may be thinking, well, wow, I've been staring at where my finger started this whole time. It's not super obvious. These things aren't obvious usually until somebody points them out to you. Instead of looking at where your finger starts for a slide, look at where it's going to go. The destination fret. Always look at the destination fret when you go to slide. You're much more likely to land in the right spot because you're looking at where you're actually trying to go. Now, I'm not a sports ball person, but I do know you're supposed to keep your eye on the ball. And the ball, in this case, is the fret that we're trying to slide to. Now, you may still get it if you're not looking. If you've practiced a lot, then you probably are going to still get it when you're not looking. But you're going to really increase your chances. All right, I didn't need to play those to illustrate this point, but this thing's fun. Love the Wonder Bat. So anyway, if you're not looking where you're supposed to be going, you're going to have a harder time finding it. And you may get it right, but you want to increase your chances of getting it right more often. So look at the destination fret. When you get to where you can do that without having to look at all, then that's great. You can look at anything you want. But for now, with every slide that you're working on mastering, look at the destination fret. Look at where you're going, not where you came from. And you're going to have an easier time. Oh, but I missed that last one. See, I should have been looking where I was going. There you go. Look at the destination fret. It works every time. All right, everybody. Hope you got something out of this video. Now go practice. And first, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Click that like button and the notification bell. And if you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page, like, and share. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.